Buenos dias a todos. Today I'm going to have a wander along the famous Cabo Roig Strip. Lots of bars and restaurants here, and I've never actually done a video in this area, so I'm going to have a walk along and just tell you what I see. So hopefully you enjoy this one. Let's have a wee look. So this is it's a really busy place in the middle of the high season. I've driven past here sometimes, and it does take a long time to drive along, so bear that in mind if you're coming to Cabo Roig. So just absolutely loads of bars and restaurants now. Just to put things into perspective for you, it's 10 past 11 on Sunday the 18th of May. We're sitting around 18 degrees at the minute. We were expecting temperatures to get up to around 25, so absolutely smashing. So yeah, so everywhere's closed at the minute. I really should do these videos later on in the day, but I've got a free day today, so I thought I'll just come along and do some videos in this area that I've never done before. So you've got massive amount of choice here. Every kind of style of food that you can imagine. And there are some down the back as well, which I'm not going to bother looking at when we're out and about today. So Piccolino, big Italian. Then we've got Indian, we had a Mexican back there. The Pirates International Bar and Restaurant, Mexican, Asian and Italian food. We hotel in there, Playa Marina 2. Balti Tower. Now we've not been to any of these restaurants. It's not a place that we have ever come along to, apart from Bushwacker, which I'll show you along the end. So a little tapas place there, red chili, Indian, Mexican. Then a kind of more upmarket Italian restaurant there, white tablecloths. That all shows you it's a quality place, that's for sure. Boco Cabana, looks like a tiki bar. And then you've got the first of the Irish bars. This is a big Irish area here, lots and lots of Irish bars. That looks quite a nice place. Bella Beer, wines, cocktails. I'm going to come back here at night actually. And there we go, Orenes, which I've pointed out before in a few videos. Always lots of these about Spain. Just little places you can get in and play sort of puggy machines and various different ways to lose your money. We've got the Aberdeen Angus restaurant, Argentine restaurant. And then first little one where there's a few people in it. Probably just having a morning coffee, to be honest. I'm just going to focus on this side of the road because I'll probably take a walk up the other side in the next video. So just continuing along here, La Mafia, so a big Italian restaurant. Looks quite nice inside. Tables are all set for Sunday lunch. And then Manuela Ristorante Pizzeria Steakhouse. And I think there's a pub down the side here. In fact, I'll just walk in and let you see it. So you've got Morgan's. I wonder if I can zoom in there. Let me just try. Yeah. So we've got Morgan's there. And then further down you've got the Trinity, so a couple of bars down the side streets as well, so look out for those if you're in the area. Looky man, starting to do his job. Another one of the big chinos, which you find everywhere in Spain. And another one. Buenos días. Yeah, the boys are all setting up to have their Sunday session. So steakhouse down the side there. Just people out having a cold drink or a warm drink. Then we're into all the Irish bars now. So YOLO, McCafferty's Bar, Cape Cod fish and chip shop there. It looks like it's shut. Another restaurant. Smiling Jack's is always busy anytime we've been along here, and there's a little commercial centre in there as well. O'Riordan's, which is always chock-a-block at night time if you're driving past here. Then you've got a little property shop, and then you've got the famous Bushwacker. Bushwacker's always got tribute bands on. Let's have a wee look, see who's on. Abalit. So we've came here one Sunday night, we've seen that. It's a fantastic night out. Got a Fleetwood Mac tribute band. You've got Elvis, Neil Diamond, DJs every night. Then on Wednesday you've got the Jersey Boys, Cool and the Gang, Queen tribute band, and there's a wee notice saying they've now got Coors. So great night out in Bushwacker if you're in the area. Good food as well, I have to say. And then if you come down to this end, we've got a KFC in the corner. Might just wander round the corner a wee bit actually. A couple of little bars further down there. Cabo Roig Inn, little Irish bar. Looks like everybody's going to have a go at the scooters. People's going to be spending all their money and scooting around. And then a couple of little cafes here, so cafeteria, little beer shop. And then I think it all kind of comes to an end just on the corner here, Fiesta Bar and Grill. I'm sure that used to be something else. Don't really know this area that well. Little animal rescue shop. Tipsy Toad, another pub. And then you've got Koh Samui, which I think is a restaurant. Let's have a wee look. Koh Samui, yeah. It's a wee restaurant. And that sort of brings us to the end of the first part of the Cabo Roig Strip, which is the main bit with all the bars and restaurants. And then if you just carry on down the road there, that'll eventually take you to the beaches down there. So there you go. That's a quick stroll along the Cabo Roig Strip. I hope you found that one useful. As always, give us a wee like and click on the subscribe button and we'll keep doing more videos. I'm just going to film these people on the scooters actually before I round this one up, because this could be quite funny. Looks like a pile of people who have never rented these wee scooters before. They're all playing with the app and messing about with their credit cards, trying to get these scooters to work. Isn't it funny how as humans we love to laugh at other people's misfortunes and mistakes. Oh, there she goes. Nearly crashed into the van there. This could all end in tears, couldn't it? And they're off. So they've kind of mastered it. But the boys are still not sure. Off they go. Zip zip. Yeah, so everything's ended well. No disasters at the first corner apart from the wee van nearly getting a scalp by the first girl on scooter. So yeah, sorry for that little bit of a deviation from the plan, but I thought I'd just see how all they've done. So they've done okay. So congratulations to you all. If you see yourself in the video, I'm well chuffed. I'm really pleased for you, well done. So anyway, let's wind this one up and we'll see you all in the next video. Hasta luego.